So guys, in today's video we are going to mix this Eno and Fevicol, and let's see what amazing reaction we get to see when we mix this Eno and Fevicol. But guys, before that, if you are new to the channel, then what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel and even press the bell icon next to it so that you will be notified whenever we upload the video. So now let's start. So guys, first let's put our Fevicol to this plate. Okay. So now let's cut our Eno and put it on this Fevicol. So guys, I can't see much reaction taking place over here. So now I think we can mix this. Wow guys, slowly the reaction is taking place. So guys, see how our Fevicol became harder. Wow, it's really amazing. I think you can see the bubbles coming from this when I press this Fevicol. Wow. Wow guys, it's really an amazing thing. See how our Fevicol. Wow. It's same looking like a slime or a clay. Yes, it has become a clay itself. Wow. So guys, this is the reaction taking place when we mix Eno and Fevicol. Our Fevicol totally became harder. So guys, finally this happens when we mix Fevicol and Eno. You can even use it like a clay, but only the thing is it is little bit harder than it. And everything is same. So isn't it nice? If the video was nice, then please like this video guys. And guys, in the next video, till then, take care.